Last time we talked about the first step in selling your home, and today we're going to expand on what current buyers are looking for and leaning towards in today's crazy seller's market. As a first-time home seller, do you know if your home checks all the boxes that buyers are looking for? Hi, I'm John Buick.
And I'm Susie Stewartson with the Summit Team. If you want to know what the first step is in selling your home, check out our sellers playlist on our YouTube channel, the Summit Team. We put a link to that video down below. You'll find the video and more about Arvada and Wheat Ridge area and real estate in general. But back to what buyers are looking for. Move-in ready, like new condition is still the top seller, especially now that new construction isn't much more than move-in ready updated existing homes with similar size and amenities. Many buyers prefer an updated used home because the taxes are generally lower, there are fewer HOAs, and the lots are bigger. The landscaping is also typically more mature. But if your home needs updating or is in less than ideal clean condition, a buyer is going to respond in kind with an offer that reflects the quality of the home.
Most people still won't spend more than they should for a property, even when the market is strongly in the seller's favor. But if buyer decides they love your home so much that they agree to pay an inflated price, the home will still have to appraise for the contracted price. And because buyers are taking out a loan in most cases, if your home does not appraise, the buyer typically will have to bring in the difference in cash between the appraised value and the purchase price in order to close. This is called an appraisal gap. Most buyers are uncomfortable paying over appraised value, but sometimes will do so in a multiple offer situation, and sometimes they won't. They may change their minds in the middle of the contract.
If you go under contract and this appraisal gap issue happens, you can potentially have a buyer bail after reconsidering the amount of money over appraisal they are paying for your home. They look hard at upgrades, overall condition, the price of other similar homes like yours in the area, and anything in the home that is worn or doesn't function. But if your home is clean and updated, this is far less likely to happen. Appraisals coming in lower than purchase price due to condition are much more common now than in recent years past.
We have even seen some sellers aggressively overpricing, trying to get as much as possible, not concerned with the fact that the home must appraise or take into account the overall condition of the property. But that's a whole nother issue that we'll talk about next time. If you would like more in-depth information about selling your home, click the Learn More button below. I'm John Buick.
And I'm Susie Stewartson, your trusted real estate experts with the Summit Team, here to provide you with the experience, expertise, and excellence you deserve in Wheat Ridge and Arvada.